Well, we are in a Republican system, and the beauty of the Republican system is that people can go all over the country and campaign and speak to people. And I dare say, I like all the candidates, and I have tremendous respect for them, because if a person can decide to be a candidate, that person is already bold enough to be asking to be a leader of a powerful country, of a complex country like Cameroon. Many of them have come by, and I think they were right to come here to speak to the people. But let me make a comment. One of them, a former minister, Issa Chidoma, was here the other day. Unfortunately, he was very, very clear and said that Chris Ano is his friend, and that Chris Ano has been talking with him, which is unfortunate, because Chris Ano is behind some of the people who have committed crimes in this country. So I think that candidate was being unfair to us to make somebody who has been a criminal look great. I don't share that. But he's perfectly right. I didn't say that. He said that, and it's his responsibility to deal with that. But I believe every candidate who comes here has a right to meet with the population. Like me, representing the CPDM and speaking for Paul Biya, I am here in Bamenda speaking to people. President Paul Biya is a candidate. He's been a candidate before. The CPDM is the party that has presented him. This region has developed a powerful relationship